Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty is more than just skin deep. Today, we're going to talk about something that's often overlooked in the beauty world, but is absolutely essential: your salon setup. Specifically, the BarberPub Backwash Shampoo Unit with leg rest, a versatile and ergonomic addition to any salon, barbershop, or even home studio. When it comes to hair washing, comfort is key, not just for the client, but for the stylist too. This shampoo unit promises both, but does it deliver? Let's find out. The BarberPub Backwash Shampoo Unit features an adjustable ceramic hair wash bowl designed for versatility. Its 11.4-inch deep sink allows for easy accommodation of long hair, making it a great fit for clients with all hair types. But what's really interesting is the adjustable basin angle. Whether you're washing a tall client or someone shorter, you can fine-tune the bowl's position for the perfect fit. This is especially useful if you're working in a high-traffic salon or barbershop and need to quickly adjust for different people. One of the standout features here is the adjustable leg rest. This is a thoughtful addition that truly enhances the comfort of the client. With a simple hand lever, you can elevate the leg rest to provide proper support, which is ideal for longer sessions. If you've ever been stuck in an uncomfortable position during a salon visit, you'll appreciate this small yet important feature. The 13.4-inch length ensures that your client's legs are fully supported during the wash, minimizing any discomfort. Now let's talk about the design from the stylist's perspective. The shampoo unit is engineered to minimize strain on the back, which can be a real issue for professionals spending long hours at the sink. The 17.7-inch seat height and the 37-inch bowl height are optimized for the average stylist's posture. This ergonomic design allows for a more comfortable working position, reducing the risk of back fatigue. Trust me, after a few hours behind the chair, your back will thank you. As for the build quality, the BarberPub Backwash Shampoo Unit doesn't disappoint. Unlike many others in this price range that feature a stainless steel basin support, this model uses a sturdy backboard structure. This design not only provides better support for the heavy ceramic bowl, but it also ensures stability. The support system feels solid, and there's no wobble or instability when you're using it, even with the weight of the ceramic basin. Installation is a breeze too. Whether you're installing it in a salon, barbershop, or home studio, the unit supports both wall and floor drainage systems. All the necessary tools are included for a smooth, hassle-free setup. In my experience, it's always nice when a product comes with everything you need right out of the box. Now, on to the value for money. At first glance, the price might seem a little steep, but when you factor in the sturdy construction, adjustable features, and the overall ergonomic design, it feels justified. Plus, the 1-year warranty adds a level of assurance that you're investing in something durable and reliable. If you're looking for alternatives in the same price range, there are a few other shampoo units available, but many don't offer the same level of adjustability or comfort. You'd be hard-pressed to find something that offers such thoughtful design at this price point, especially when it comes to ergonomics for both clients and stylists. As far as longevity is concerned, I have no major concerns. The ceramic basin is heavy-duty, and the support system feels robust enough for everyday use in a busy salon environment. With proper care, I expect this shampoo unit to last for several years. If I had to point out a con, it would be that the unit comes in 3 boxes, which might seem like a bit of a hassle during delivery. But once it's set up, all the effort will be worth it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum it all up, the BarberPub Backwash Shampoo Unit with leg rest is a well-built, comfortable, and ergonomic choice for salons, barbershops, or even at-home use. It's designed to make the hair washing process more comfortable for both clients and stylists, with adjustable features that cater to different heights and needs. While the price is on the higher side, the durability, stability, and thoughtful design make it a solid investment for professionals who prioritize comfort and efficiency. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. As always, the link to purchase the product can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.